Okay, I told you guys you would definitely be seeing me again. I wanted to add a bit of a personal touch to this e-portfolio by sharing a story I have that pertains to me that definitely relates back to this topic of drugs and the labeling of drugs. So I was in the 10th grade and I had one of the worst coughs I've ever had in my life. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't eat, it was awful. So I went to my family doctor and I got a prescription for hydrocodone. If you're not sure what hydrocodone is, it's a very, 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 very strong cough syrup. We'll put it at that. So I get home and I fill my prescription and we're looking at the bottle. And when I say we, I mean me and my parents. And we're looking at the bottle and it says, I don't remember word for word what it said, but to us, to all three of us, it looked like it was saying 2 10-milliliter doses before bed. So the first night I take it and I go to bed and it's been about 15-20 minutes. I'm getting a little groggy, but I start to feel a little funny. And I'm somebody who has tried drugs before, pot, other natural hallucinogenics. So I was familiar with what being high felt like. And this was definitely that. I was very much high. I kid you not, if I had my mom next to me, I would prove it to you guys, but she remembers to this day the text message I sent to her, and it said, I can feel the earth spinning on its axis. And obviously not true. Obviously I had taken way too much cough syrup, but that's what we, all three of us, thought the bottle said. So the next night, I take my second dose. I'm like, guys, maybe I'm just not used to it. Maybe I'm reacting weird because I'm just not used to it. One more night, we'll see how it goes. Second night, same thing. Just so loopy, so out of my mind, crazy high, that I was weird. So the next day we called the pharmacy and they said, bring the prescription in, bring the bottle in, let's take a look. And they very, very quickly realized the issue. They very, very quickly corrected the problem, and it was supposed to be 1 10-milliliter dose. So, moral of the story. I was young. I was in high school. I was only about 15 years old. Giving a child that amount of drug, and giving them that kind of experience where they're not sure about what's going on and what's happening is very, very, very dangerous and can potentially be extremely harmful to children, adults, anybody who kind of finds himself in this situation going forward. So I really wanted to share that with you guys because I felt like it was really important to say, hey, this has happened to me where I've succumbed to poor packaging, poor labeling, what have you. It's real life. It does happen. That's why we need to be more careful about it.